Glad you found us. I'm Harris, and this is SurveySparrow. We're an omnichannel experience management platform. And what do? We help businesses of all types refine the experiences they deliver to their customers and employees, end to end. How do we do it? By combining the power of surveys, automations, business intelligence, response management, online reputation management, and integrations. SurveySparrow helps you effortlessly cover every key touchpoint and refine them continuously. Yes, it's so much more than just surveys. Here, let me explain. Customers. Each of them is unique. Their needs, expectations, motives, as unique as them. And that's why one survey can't fit them all. SurveySparrow helps you build omnichannel surveys of any purpose that will reach your customers in their language, wherever they are. But it's not just about collecting responses, is it? You must act on it. Go from responses to actions. With case management, convert the responses into automated, trackable tickets and build meaningful conversations, or create automated custom workflows that notify the right people to drive immediate actions. But as they say, you cannot improve what you cannot measure. With business intelligence, make sense of business data and optimize the experiences your brand delivers. Identify the experience gaps, uncover patterns, see what matters the most to your customers and employees, and prioritize improvements. And this is how you build an amazing brand with SurveySparrow. Oh, and we have one more thing. We have reputation management to help you build a stronger brand presence online. Designed to help you generate, understand, and manage online reviews. The solution helps you convert reviews into embeddable testimonials. The consolidated report of your brand's performance helps you stay ahead of your competition effortlessly. One platform, many solutions. That's the best part. With a single system, you get to collect, integrate, analyze, and act on business insights without writing a single line of code. Oh, one last thing. We also have a 14-day free enterprise trial. Why don't you try it for yourself? See it to believe it, right?